Mark Herrera is on Harry. Herrera is pinabitin. Oh! Pass inside. Pass to Payang of the glass. Bucket! And it's Herrera. Who's in? Lace bucket! Inside pass. Pinabitin pass of the glass. Bucket. Loris. Welcome to Cagayan Intertown Abong League 2024 and first ball possession for Lalo. Vargas spins, pull-up jumper, won't go. And here's Estrella, bounce pass, inside pass, fires, first blood. And here's Balisi. And here's Supaya. Balisi for 3, bang! And Estrella, the pass to Pascua, and here's Bulan, corner 3, bam! The passes to Vargas. Vargas used the screen. Pass is stolen. Estrella, lays easy 2. And Balisi, he passes to Vargas to Cortez, and stolen. And it's Herrera goes in, lays bucket! 5-point lead for Team Solana. Dubaya and Cortez bumangga, fire of the glass, bucket! Oh! And Estrella. And he pass. And Bulan pull up, J, short. Bucket with the tip in. Raila. And pass for 3. Pascua. Bang! Vargas with the ball. He goes to the middle, to the wings. For 3. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. And here's Herrera. Goes inside and tosses the ball. And fight for the ball. Dinaganan sa 3. Short, Herrera, short. He goes back to the middle. Hook shot. Bucket! And 10-point lead for Solana. He stops. Cross pass. Balisi for 3. Bang! And at the top, number 13 to Herrera. Inside pass. Kicks out for 3. Wow. Fight for the rebound, Herrera, the rebound, and a putback shot. And it's Vargas to Dupaya, to the corner, sa 3, too strong. And here's Herrera, sumigsag behind the back rebound, and stolen. And here you go. And easy, Cortez. And here's you go. Stop for 3, short. And fight for the rebound, kicks out. Herrera to the middle, floater, bucket! Balisi, pass to Cortez. Cortez cross pass, sa 3, ups, inside pass, recover by Cortez, fires off the glass, bucket! 13, 6-point lead for Team Solana. Here's number 3 for 3, bang! Dupaya crosses the mid lane. Dupaya. Here's pass, and here's Columbano, spins, fires off the glass, bucket! Oh. And here's to the middle, Akkad, inside pass, fires, short, kicks out, pull-up jumper, bucket! And pass, Loristo, binitbit, fire, short. And here's Akkad, he attacks to the middle, he pass inside, Sarmiento with the finish! Vargas goes in the middle. Vargas goes to the middle. Floater, bucket. Vargas. That's the end of with the ball. He passed the ball to the middle. Sarmiento lays short. And Rev Sarmiento, second chance. Bucket. Here's Columbano attacks. Pinabitin. And here's Bulan. Kumabitin short. Columbano. Vargas, oop. Vargas. Pull up J, bucket. And pass. Pass back. And fourth, Pascua. Oh, si Herrera hinatid. Pass. Oops. Vargas. Hook pass inside. And nice timing. And pass. Vargas to Vargas. Is at the top. He pass to Vargas. Pass inside. Cortez. Kakaldag. He fires. Block. Backdoor inbound. For team Lalo. Vargas. He pass to Dupaya. Dupaya to Vargas. He pass to the middle. Colimbano to Vargas. Open for 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Bucket. And to the corner. And Pascua. Pass to the middle. Pascua for 3. Off the parket. And to Vargas. Vargas. Pass inside. Pass to Paya. Off the glass. Bucket. Is Herrera. Sumigsag. Herrera. Pass inside. Further of the glass. Bucket. Balisi. He pass to Dupaya. Dupaya is the screen. Pull up jet 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Cortez. Put back. Bucket. Ooh. Backdoor inbound. For Team Solana. Looking for receiver. Pass na libre. Falling away. Won't go. Herrera. Bumangga. Spins. Corner. Fading away. Bucket. Vargas use the screen. Stops. Inside pass. Inside another pass. Short. Rebound. Dupaya. Sumegway. Bumangga. Fly. Dupaya. Bucket. Pass. Pascua. Pass to inside. Pass kicks out. Pascua. For 3. Block. And he spins. Further. Is too strong. Herrera. Another one. Hook shot. Won't go. And here. Vargas. Spins. Inside pass. Fakes. Clutch pass. Won't go. Or still won't go. Rebound. Kicks out. Vargas fakes. Full away. Go for the lead. Stolen. Pass break. And another change favor. And Estrella. Stops. Pass inside. Fogdan. Another pass. Foul and 1. And here's Dupaya goes to the rim. Pinabitin short. Put back. Bucket. And here's Estrella. He passes to his pass back. Estrella. Who's inatid. Pull up J. In and out. Fight for the rebound. Balisi against Madrid. He passes to pass in the middle. Hove fakes. Kicks out. Dupaya. Bullseye. And he's at the top. He pass to the middle. Natapingan is stolen. Balisi. Goes over. Attacks. Pinal sa corner. Dupaya creates space. Boy off the glass. Bucket for the lead. And the long pass. Attacks. Oops. Another pass. Fires. And Balisi. Long 3. Oy! Estrella. Pascua. Corner. Sa 3. Bulan. Off the mark. Rebound Balisi. The long pass. Columbano drives to the hoops. Off the mark. Estrella. Attacks. Pinasa. Halio pass. Pinasa na. Easy 2. And 3-point lead sa Vargas. Off the mark. Herrera. Is on Harry. Estrella. Pinabitin. Oh! And here's Pascua. Bumangga. Uy, tumalsik. Pascua. He pass to Estrella. Corner. Bulan. Pass to Gates. Bucket. 6-point lead. Sa gitna. Stolen. And here's Pascua. Winit bit lace. Easy 2. Pascua. And it's Estrella. He pass the ball to Pascua. Estrella. He pass sa 3. Don't go. Fight for the rebound. Goes to Hove. Pass. Vargas. Loses the ball. Is stolen. Estraela, binitbit, easy 2. Point lead for Team Solana. Go pistolen again. And natapikan. Estraela, binitbit na naman. Easy, back to. Hands on the shot clock. Vargas for the inbound. Cortez, double team, kicks out. Palisi. Cortez floater, in and out. Fight for the rebound. And Akkad, he passes to Herrera. Oops. He kicks out. Cross pass. Akkad to the middle, floater. Bucket! And stolen. Pass inside Herrera. Another pass. Bucket! Another. And here's Balisi. Stops. Satres. Short. And stolen. And here you go, Team Solana. Bulan for 3. Short. Another Bulan, brother. Bucket. Recover the finish. Vargas. Attacks to the traffic. 14-point lead for Team Solana. Sabulan sa 3. Bang! And here's Vargas. Inside pass for the stop. Pinabitin pass off the glass. Bucket. Lord Herrera. He pass. Bulan another 3. Short. And the rebound. Another. Umalik. And reverse layup. Bucket. Herrera. And here's Vargas. Inside pass. Upaya. Flyers. Short. Baseball pass. Nauna na naman Bulan. Easy to Bulan. Vargas uses the screen. He goes to the middle. Corner. Si Riban. And here's Loristo. Side step. Fire. Short. Loristo. Another dribble. Kicks out. Vargas. Pull up J. Won't go. Put back. Loristo with the finish. And Akkad. Bounce pass. Another pass. Finish. Lace. Akkad. And si Riban. Spins. Vargas. Fakes. Use the screen. Was Dupaya. Floater. Short. Dupaya. Again. Back. Bucket. The put. And it's Pugan. One-on-one. Nakalusot. Lace. Bucket. Pugan. Si Riban. Fires. Oh, bucket. Umayam. Oh. And that's the end. For the inbound. Looking for receiver. Here's Madrid. Kicks out. And here's Akkad. Drives. Pull up J. Off the mark. Rebound. Hobe. And the long pass. And here's Riban. He corner. Bumanggag. Buta. Bucket. Down. And he pass. Dubaya. Corner. Burgas fakes. Vargas. Spot pass to si Riban. No look pass inside. Go. Obe. Fast. Bucket. Obe. Spin. Pugan. And he pass. Stolen. Dubaya. Easy to. Bounce pass. And drives. Stolen again. Oh, pinabitin. Off the glass. Bucket. Hey. And Pasqua. Natapikan. Stolen. And here's si Riban. Si Riban side. Step far off the glass. Si Riban. And here's to go. Pass. Bulan for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Baliga. And here's Pasqua side. Steps. Oops. Huli. Traveling. And 6-point lead for Team Solana. Vargas sa 3. Bang! And here you go. Herrera. Bumangga. Kicks out. Bulan open for 3. Bang! The answer. 6-point lead. Here's Vargas sa 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Estraela. Pass to the middle. Stolen. And recover. Bumangga fires off the glass. Won't go. Rebound. Lalo. Vargas. Bumangga. For the inbound. Vargas looking for receiver. Corner. Dupaya. Attack. Side step. Pass inside. Stolen. Recover. Fires. Bucket. Down to 5-point lead for Team Solana. Si Riban. He's at the middle. He's at the top. Natapikan. And he's stolen. Bulan, pass inside, block! Dupaya, any pass, and recover. Herrera, pass inside. Oh, back pass, and finish. Crosses the midline. He pass to the corner sa 3, short. Rebound, Herrera. Herrera is on Harry Lace. Bucket! 9-point lead. And stolen again. He pass, Herrera. Estraila. And Pascua drives to the hoops. Pinasa pa. Easy two. Vargas goes to the rim. Fires. Bucket. Vargas. And here you go. Pascua. Pass to Estraila. Sa 3, Bulan. Bang! Vargas. Natapikan. Stolen. And here's Bulan. Bounce pass inside. Lace. Bucket. Pascua. And here's si Riban. Behind the back dribble. He spins. Floater. Won't go. Rebound Vargas. Easy two. Vargas. Dup. Pascua. Pass to the middle. Estraila. And 11-point lead. Estraila pass inside. Kicks out. Sa 3, Bulan. Off the mark. And Miss Riban. Si Riban all alone. Is easy two. Si Riban. And here's Estraila. Crossover to the middle. Is up to bucket. And si Riban. Stops, picks. Inside pass. Bucket. Dupayan. Pass to Pascua. Bulan. Herrera. Pass to Pascua. Estraila. And Bulan, wide open for 3. Bang! Pass to Dupaya. Sumegway, side step sa gitna. Test, easy to. And Dupaya. Bounce pass. Columbano attacks. Kicks out. Pull up, short. Dupaya and recover by Columbano. Vargas picks, touch, 3, bang! For the receive. He goes to the middle, Tropican, he's stolen. And you go to restore, long pass. And Vargas, easy to, down to 5 pass. And the first throw, Estraila, no good. 86-91. And the last throw, bucket, Estraila. 2 seconds, Dupaya attacks. And Vargas, he spins. Inside pass, fires, and 1! To 4-point lead, Cortez, in and out, fight for the rebound. And goes to Valag. And here's Pascua. He spins to the middle, Estraila. He pass to Herrera. Estraila. Corner. And inside pass. Herrera. Pascua. And Bulan open for 3. Short. And here's Dupaya. Attacks. Spins. Floater. In and out. Long pass. Libre. Estraila. Bucket. And he pass to Dupaya. Pass to Columbano. Pass to Vargas for 3. In and out. And he goes. And Estraila. And Bombas. Pascua. Bulan. Pascua attacks. Inside pass. Floater. In. For 3. Easy to. Bullseye at the buzzer. And that's the end of the game.